Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Tornadoes, large hail seen in Texas, New Mexico. Tropical storm Arlene forms on Gulf of Mexico. Tornadoes and large hail were reported across the eastern New Mexico and western Texas Friday as severe storms ripped across the region. Both tornadoes and severe thunderstorm watches stretched from southern Oklahoma to the U.S Mexico border. The Storm Prediction Center received dozens of the reports of severe weather, including tennis ball-sized hail along the Interstate 10, southwest of Midland, and a wind gust to 81 miles per hour south of Lubbock, Texas. A tornado was observed in Fort Stockton, Texas during the early afternoon. No serious damage or injuries were reported. Hailstones were also reported in Valania, New Mexico, and the weather enthusiasts captured photos of the large chunks of the ice in Sanderson and Dryden, Texas. The blocking pattern that has kept the rain in the forecast every day this week from the northern Rockies to Texas is expected to continue through the weekend. Included within this area is Central Plains, currently home to worst drought conditions in the country. The forecast could not be better as these storms will have the potential for very heavy soaking rain. Parts of the exceptional drought area in Kansas could see an additional 2 to 3 inches of the rain over the next 7 days. Portions of the Texas Panhandle may see 3 to 5 inches of the rain. A tropical storm formed in the Gulf of Mexico on Friday, just a day after the start of the Atlantic hurricane season, NOAA forecasters said. The tropical storm Arlene becomes the first named storm of the season. The system started as just a tropical disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico late Wednesday night, with only 20% chance of becoming a cyclone within 48 hours. But by early Thursday afternoon, the National Hurricane Center said it could become a tropical storm with 70% chance of the development. It was originally dubbed Invest 91L before upgrading to Tropical Depression 2 and now Arlene. The National Hurricane Center announced the new classification shortly after 1:30 p.m. ET on Friday, saying there is no significant threat to the land. Arlene has sustained winds of up to 40 miles per hour with even higher gusts and is moving at just about 5 miles per hour, although that movement speed is expected to increase slightly through the night, the center said. The storm's path shows it moving south towards Cuba, and it now appears it will lose some of its wind speed to once again be tropical depression by Saturday morning. The strong winds of the storm extend 70 miles outward, but center said that the rain projected to it central and south Florida is not directly related to tropical storm Arlene. Those areas are forecast to receive 1 to 2 inches of the rain through Saturday, with some areas seeing up to 5 inches. Regardless, the heavy rainfall could lead to isolated flash, urban and small stream flooding impacts, the center warned. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.